Oh no, I have this kids thing up here. How do I go back to my original icon? So we can go down, we can click on Lee. I'm Lee. We're going to click on Lee. Welcome, Lee. You may have this password protected, you may not. If you not, you'll have to. If you do, you'll have to add in your password. It'll take a moment here to switch it over. And we're here. And as you can tell, this looks a little different than your child's version. All right. Now, what about if you have in-laws who live with you and you don't want to, or family and friends who live with you and you don't want to share your account? Create an account for them. So we can go over. I already have a Pops and Jaja one. Boom. Grandparents. Love them. Give them a little access. Turn it on. Away we go. And as you can tell, this looks different again. It looks like Jaja and Papa have been watching. Cool. But as you can tell, the apps may not be there. So let's click on My Apps. What do we have in the My Apps? Now, you're probably wondering, what's all this black space? Why is it loading? What's taking so long? Well, the main reason it's taking so long is because I am just doing this on a whim and trying it out. I've never actually switched it on this Firestick before. Once it's done the first couple times, you'll be fine. As you can tell, all those apps that I had on my profile are not on here. So you'll have to reload them onto this profile. Now, mind you, you probably aren't going to use this one stick in your bedroom for everybody's profile account. So you don't have to worry about doubling down, having Netflix on 3 different profiles in one stick. Let's make this one the bedroom stick, and then you can make the family room stick, and then you make the basement stick, and then you make the kids a stick. So each one's really going to have only one set of apps on it, right? There you go. Check it out. Peace.